Alright folks, January 8th, 28 degrees, a little bit of snow on the ground. We're getting ready to hop in the blind. Unfortunately, that's the blind today. We're killing stripers. It's supposed to blow west 15 to 20, gusts to 30, but we're going to hug the beach. We've got enough gear to get us there. So we're going to be cash money. It's going to be me, Vinny, serial killer Rambo with a dot on the back of his head. It's kind of like a bullseye for a sniper. We are good to go. We got to run down to Carolina, roughly 30 or 40 miles, so that's going to suck. But the snow is done, and hopefully we can get some footage of slobbing up some stripers. It's cold. Go time. Alright, the weather is turning. She's up to about 30 knots, but the birds are going Danzig. We are catching all the 30-inchers we can. They are hammering them. That is pretty sick. Ooh, and it's pretty cold. Got a couple slobbed out on the deck here. Get them in the kill box here in a second. We got four. There's one right here. Boom! Hooked up. So we will go ahead and address this gigantic striper. Look at them birds. Let's
hooked up.
Might have to reel that. Birds are coming to us now, buddy.
Down here off Jockey's Ridge, North Carolina.
Alright, back. The camera has not been on much because when we last turned it off, she got to about 40 knots and it started snowing. And we were taking massive heavies. So we shut her down, got blasted. 3 different snowstorms today. We never really even clipped the lures off. Still got a bunch of fish laying around in here for the breeze. I think it finally stopped snowing for the day. Silly boy. Captain Vance pulled us through it. Good day, son.
Yeah, baby.
So we got a stack of them. We're just kind of rehydrating,
yeah, baby.
figuring out what we got going here. And we'll be cleaning soon. Because these suckers are dead. Game on.